crazy people hogging the camera. I have a camera right here too, you know.
Whoa, you know you love it.
It's a tiger.
Hey, turn the camera off. They don't know that we're recording too.
The Chinese guy was taking the whole entire time.
How do you feel, Tia?
I feel great. Check it out. How do you guys feel, huh? I'm going on stage first for first place. How do you feel? How do you guys feel right now?
We feel we're going to get a place.
Good.
We feel confident about it.
I am too.
We feel that we're going to get first place. Second.
First place.
Rating is 10. No, 9.5 is bad. 99.9 haters. So, 9.5%.
Wilford, how do you feel?
I don't know. Oh, no, I feel like we knocked down Minnesota Sunshine to the edge.
How do you feel? How do you feel? What? Good. How do you say you feel? That's always.